Joining us.
You got wall.
Happiness for me is finding joy in the mundane, in the simple things of everyday life. Kasi as humans, we tend to yearn for more. So, pag binase natin yung happiness natin sa big achievements, we'll still find ourselves asking, what's next? May nabasa nga ako na our life is just a series of very mundane and ordinary things, just sprinkled with special moments here and there. It can be as simple as pagka magko-coffee ka, use your favorite cup to make you smile. Or you can play your music when you're doing chores, when you're cooking. As a decorator, it's about finding happiness in your own home kasi I really believe na yung bahay natin, yung environment natin, it really affects our mood, our joy, and our everyday life. Kaya nga ako, I make sure that I create a home that would make me smile every day, a home that has reliable appliances that would make me feel safe. Kaya nga I love Midea kasi it's a brand that I truly trust. The multi-door smart refrigerator can give you peace of mind kasi alam mo na your food will stay fresh much longer. And when spending time with loved ones dito sa bahay, our Midea aircon, andyan lang quietly cooling our space para we can be fully present and just enjoy each other's company. I believe happiness will be so much better when shared. Kaya nga when I started my YouTube channel, ang goal ko talaga is to share and to inspire na having a nice home is attainable. Kaya nga favorite moment ko talaga sa makeover is when I see the owner's face, when they see their place for the first time, it really gives me genuine happiness. Sa life natin, given ang worry, given ang stress, kaya whatever challenges we may face, we should do something every day that would make us happy. Hindi siya kailangan malaking bagay. It's as simple as playing with our dogs, enjoying a cup of coffee, sunset watching sa rooftop, or spending time with my family and laughing out loud with friends. Like, it's just the simplest things. We all deserve to have a home that will make us happy. I'm Elle Uy, a proud Midea Happiness Ambassador.